5 o'clock, State Road 32 through downtown Westfield getting a makeover. Construction expected to start early next year. The project includes adding lanes and a roundabout. News 8's Camila Fernandez takes a closer look at the plan.
With a growing population,
I've never been in a market with such vertical growth as we've seen in Westfield over the last several years.
In Westfield, the state is working to make the city a safer place for its residents and drivers. The project aims to improve traffic safety along State Road 32 through the downtown by expanding it to 4 lanes.
Having grown up here, our downtown, this has always been an issue. We've always been very aware that a highway is running through our downtown.
The multi-million-dollar project would add lanes on State Road 32 from just east of US 31 to just beyond Timberbrook Drive and add a roundabout at East Street. To widen the road, 13 buildings will be moved or demolished, including some in the historic district on Union Street.
NDOT and the city of Westfield have partnered on this project. We've worked really hard to provide the best solution possible.
The plan calls for keeping at least 1 lane of traffic open at all times during construction. However, project leaders are considering a full shutdown of State Road 32 from Poplar Street to Union Street at some point. Some businesses say although they're excited about the changes, they're concerned about its impact on their businesses.
I know there's going to be a lot of construction just right around the corner from us for quite some time. We're very hopeful that our customers will still be here for us as we'll still be there for them.
Parking, infrastructure, and hopefully the city can work through those details because they are extremely important. My business is about increased consideration and not the opposite. So if people are concerned about parking and infrastructure, they might go somewhere else. So, it's good and bad overall.
City leaders are accepting public comment on the plan through February 10th. Construction is expected to begin in spring of 2023 and wrap up by summer 2024. Camila Fernandez, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
And we've made it really easy for you to read through the entire plan. Just grab your phone, scan that QR code that you see there on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. That will take you directly to our As Seen on Wish TV section on our website. Then click on this story to find the link to the project.